1, 2, OK。OK。
早晨咁多位，咁今日就我哋喺東京音響展入邊就亦都喺 Esoteric 呢間房，咁今日亦都碰到Machidaさん，咁yes， 呢次咧我就見到一部新機，就係 N1 一部旗艦嘅網絡播放器，咁啱啱撞到 Machida， 咁我就亦都問啲簡單嘅問題啦。Machida san, I've just seen the flagship of this one, N1. But if compared to the N1T, yeah, what's the difference?
Okay, N1T is digital transport, so it doesn't have a DAC inside.
Yeah.
So the N1T is for the customer who already have a DA converter, especially the Grandioso customer has a D1X SE, monoblock DACs, and also the K1X SE, SSD player DAC. So the N1T is for the customer who has already a DAC because it's a digital output transport. But the N1 has a new DA converter inside. So this is an all-in-one network player, so it can be used for everyone.
For separately?
Yes, yes.
OK. 佢講咧就係因為N1T 係一個單轉盤，只有數字輸出嘅。咁而呢 N1T 咧主要係俾例如有部分用家啦，已經有 K1X 而駁埋利用 K1X SE 嗰個解碼嚟播放出嚟。咁但係咧 N1T 咧就直頭一部合併嘅數播，有埋解碼。咁係現今 Esoteric 嚟講咧就係數播之中係一個旗艦型號。Yes.
Okay. So the new N1 has a new network engine, Esoteric Network Engine G4. It's a fourth generation network engine, and it has a optical network connectivity. So on the back side there is a SFP input. So you can stream the signal much cleaner than the previous generation.
Okay.
And this one also has a new generation DA converter inside. This is the first model who uses the new master sound discrete DAC G2.
Okay.
G2 means a generation 2.
Yeah.
We introduced this master sound discrete DAC in 2019. After 6 years, we introduced a newer version. So as you can see, the circuit layout is totally different, but basic concept is the same. We would try to recreate the very realistic sound, like more creamy sound like vinyl, or actual live performance through this our in-house design DA converter.
OK， 我簡單啲講啦。咁而家呢個新嘅解碼晶片咧，係佢哋嘅第四代嚟嘅，包括嗰個網絡板。因為點解咧？之前佢哋用緊嘅係第二代嘅，咁而家呢個網絡嗰方面嗰個輸入嗰方面係已經係去到第四代，咁係最新嘅。咁另外咧就係個解碼晶片啦，亦都係呢個係最新嘅。咁因為點解咧？之前嗰代咧係已經係2019年，咁而家隔咗都成6年嘅時間，咁所以咧就已經又有個新嘅晶片解碼。咁佢講到話聲音嗰方面咧，現今新嘅聲咧，比以前嗰個數碼感咧就進展好大啦。Yes.
Okay, so the new one has a very different from the previous design, and this is FPGA. This is a digital processor, and creates 9 different digital signals. And then, in accordance with the signal transferred, how many registers are switched on is decided. And this is a digital processor, and the digital signals is coming here, and then translate passing through the registers, the signal, analog signal. The voltage signal is created. And this is called a flip-flop circuit. And this one is a FPGA and flip-flop, and this one is a analog filter, and then output with the buffer circuit. And as you can see, the flip-flop circuit is simplified, and the power supply located here for the older generation is moved here. very close to the registers to get the shorter power
So
pass.
that means the distortion will be less.
Yes. Power supply is much faster and also more cleaner
Okay.
because the power supply is very close. And also the filter section is not changed much, but the output buffer section is now we have a dual buffer like D1 XSE.
Okay.
So the circuit component is doubled to get more current energy straightly transferred to the preamp section. So it's more powerful and also more faster.
OK，我簡單啲講，因為我唔係好專業嘅。咁啊，上面呢個部分咧就係數碼輸入嘅。咁你哋見到咧係兩個係有少少分別啦。咁另外咧，佢經過下低依啲電阻，咁而佢呢度變咗兩排。因為點解咧？佢就講咗，佢就話入邊佢哋而家咧就埋好多、近好多，咁導致佢哋傳輸快好多，亦都乾淨好多。咁如果唔係咧，個時間差長咗咧，可能中間嘅損失啊，或者有其他嘢會影響咗個聲音啦。咁至於下低輸出部分咧，佢而家用呢個 buffer 咧，呢度係每邊都有兩粒嘅。咁但舊款咧每邊只係一粒，咁所以令到佢輸出部分亦都係更加精細啦。另外就更加損失仲更加少啲，而且聽出嚟嘅線性啲，就係咁啦。
Okay, and also the power supply section is more separated compared to the previous design. The previous design has a power pin here and here.
Yeah.
And this small one is for the digital part, and the big one is for the analog part.
Okay.
But as you can see, the new board, the power pins are doubled. The digital pin is here with 4 pins. It means the digital part is now separated to the FPGA part and free probe circuit part.
Okay.
So the FPGA has a switching motion inside, so there can be a potential noise source. So the very first stage of the analog signal is power supply separated, so get much cleaner playback is possible.
Okay.
And also this one is a differential DAC, dual differential DAC. So this is a positive negative circuit and positive and negative circuit. And total negative, total positive and total negative. Separated. So we have a 4 circuit. And this one, the analog side, the power supply section is separated into the positive power supply and negative power supply. So the differential circuit is much more precise than before.
佢解釋咧就係例如舊嘅排線部分啦，咁數碼輸入咧就係呢部分，咁而模擬部分咧就係呢邊嘅，咁但係而家咧佢每邊咧係相對係 double 咗，咁啊導致佢數碼傳輸或者係模擬傳輸咧都係比以前更加幼細咗，基本上就係以前嘅雙倍嚟嘅，就係咁啦。
Okay, and this implementation is already actually implemented into the monodac. So the new the concept of the going from the G1 to G2 is to get close to the monodac.
Okay.
So this one is the concept is the same, but the quality level gets much higher.
Okay. 佢話基本上咧第二代同第四代嘅解碼晶片咧理念上係好接近嘅，咁但係咧現今咧就你哋會見到其實好多方面係 Generation Two 入邊咧係佢嘅 double 嚟嘅，所以更加幼細同埋精確，甚至傳輸嗰方面啦，或者係聲音嗰方面比第二代更加係幼細嘅。
Okay, and also let me explain about the other features.
Yeah.
This one has 5 power transformers inside, so the power supply section is separated for the left channel DAC and right channel DAC, and the network engine, and also the digital power supply. And it also has a microcomputer power supply. So in total, 5 separated power transformer is inside.
Wow.
And the other feature is this one is a network player, but also has a multiple digital input. So it can be used as an external DAC. So you can connect our previous generation P series SSD transport to connect by HDMI signal link, ES-Link 5. So you can use a dual HDMI cable to connect our transport. So the customer who is using older generation DA converter can replace to this one. And also it has a DC power supply pin on the back side. So it can be used with the external power supply PS1. So for example, the customer who is already using the K1X with the PS1 can add the N1 to his system and reconnect the PS1 to the N1 and connect the K1 XSE as a digital transport by using the ASCVU signal cabling. So you also this one is also recommended for the K1 XSE customers.
佢講到咧就係原來呢部機入邊就好誇張嘅，原來入邊有五隻牛喺度嘅，咁我都聽見都好愕然。咁另外咧，佢話亦都可以同另外佢個數碼輸入嘅部分咧，亦都有 HDMI 啦、ES-Link 嗰方面嘅使用亦都可以啦。因為點解？例如有部分嘅客人如果係已經有 K1X 啊，咁嗰方面嚟講，亦都可以同佢聯繫埋一齊用嘅。另外佢就講到話嗰個後邊，因為K1X 呢個 N1X 後邊咧係有電插頭嘅，可以駁到去落個 PS1 嗰度嘅，亦都可以有兩個嘅環牛變為四個環牛，係直接可以獨立分開咗嚟用嘅。
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.